Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to edit your website, update tags, images, videos, everything without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So, if you have started your online business with WordPress website and you have developed your website with WordPress and Elementor page builder, and your developer hand over the project to you, but right now you wanted to update text, image or videos on your website by yourself for two reasons. Number one, you want to learn something about your website control. Also, you want to save your money and of course save your time, because sometimes it takes too much time by developer that you can draw in a quick time how much time you wait for your developer, and that's why this tutorial will be very helpful for you. So first of all, you have to log in your website. When you log in, you can see that there is an option name. You see, looks very carefully, there is a edit bar, edit with Elementor. But if you visit your website without login as a visitor, then you will not see this menu bar or edit section. You see, there are no any option to edit with Elementor. So I hope you understand the first step. So what you have to do, you have to log in your website admin panel, and here is the website admin panel. Of course, your developer share your website admin panel access information like username and password. When you log in, let me show you. Just go to the login URL, and then you will see option you have to add your email or username, then your password, then click on the login. When you click on the login, if you enter the correct email and password, you will go to this dashboard. So when you go to the dashboard, then you can hover on this name, on the website name or on the home icon, then you will see the visit website menu. Click on it by keeping press on control to open it another tab. Okay, and now you can see that there is an option edit with Elementor. So first of all, we are going to learn about how to edit this section. It's called header section. By default, in header section, maximum time we don't have to do anything because it's very important part and it's completely done by your direction. So now you can learn how to edit the header section. So to edit header section, you have to hover on the edit with Elementor, then click on the post. We have to wait a little bit time. So here you can see that you can change the text or logo in here. You can change the menu option from here. Also you can change the, just click on the edit icon. This is the edit icon. Then you can change the text, icon, font size, change the style, everything. You have full control to change everything. Before start editing your website, you must have to keep backup of your website, so that if you did any mistake, if you broke any section design, then you can easily restore your website within 1 minute or within few seconds. So this is very good idea. Also, most important things before starting editing, customize your website. Then here is the main body section that starts under the header. You see all the body section. So if you want to change anything in here, then how you can do this, let me show you. First of all, you have to click on the edit with Elementor, and right now we are on the home page. You see, edit home with Elementor. We have to wait a little bit time. And now you can see that there is an option to edit in everywhere. For example, we wanted to change this image, just move your mouse, then you can see that a marker or highlighter highlight on every element. For example, this is an image element, click on it and you can see choose image, just click on here, then you can select any image from here, or you can upload any new image. To upload, you have to click on the upload file, then you have to select your file from here and you can select your file, open, and then on uploading completed you have to click on the select. But as we have ready design, we are not going to select. Then for example, we want to change this text, so click on it and here is the text. You can change it as you want, very simple. Also, if you want to change the style, for example, you want to change the position, you see, alignment, and then also here is the color, you see. Also you can change the font family, font size, everything based on your requirement. Super easy, you see. We are not going to save it, I just show you how you can do this. Then here is the option, if you want to edit this one, if you want to add the button, okay. Also if you want to add another things, for example, you want to add two button, click on the duplicate, then you see there is a two button. Simple process. In the same way you can delete, okay. You can move down on or scroll down on the bottom section, and if you want to change this text, click on it, just click and start updating based on your requirement. Very simple process. Also you can change the learn more button, text, link, images, everything as you want. So just click on the element and then you can change, update everything, you see. So this is the same way. And here is the video. If you want to add more video, you can easily duplicate the video section, you see. Here is the duplicate video section. Also if you want to add or remove spacing of this container, so click on it, then click on the advanced. You can easily change the spacing or add spacing in here as you want. So this is very simple and easy process to edit, update, customize your WordPress based website that built with Elementor. And here I have added the before after, just click on it, then you can see you can add before after slide, before image in here, after image in here. Very simple process. And now we are going to learn how to change or update another page. For example, we wanted to update our services page, so we have to click on the services page, then edit with Elementor. This is the same process that we did on the home page. So now you can see that if I move my mouse again, I can edit anything. For example, service to our services, you see, we can change anything. Then here is the text, we can change the text color also. Text color looks here, you see, okay. Then we can change the this section, element, image, everything is editable. We can change the video, for example, click on it,
Christina present.
then you can see you have to add your video link in here and you have to select the source. For example, if you add video from YouTube, then you have to select YouTube. If you add video from Vimeo, then you have to select Vimeo. In the same way in here, this is the before after, like previous, then FAQ section, click on it. Then here is the content, title, and here is the question, and here is the answer. Very simple. So in the same way you can edit all the pages, content, element, and video, everything, and after that you must have to click on the save button. So this is really simple process to change image, text, video on your website. That's built with WordPress and Elementor, and I hope you can do it by yourself without any technical skill, because you can see that here I don't touch any code, just use my mouse and keyboard and move and select and type, edit, remove, like so. I did this type text, so there are no any code required to update your website text, images, content, videos with by yourself without hiring any developer. Also, as you have backup, then you can anytime restore your website if you make any mistake, or you can contact with me for instant support. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.